I am a consultant and freelancer. I want frontier AI on client documents without uploading the raw file. Privilege is my local preflight. Mask on my laptop first, then use any AI. Once per engagement, I set what must stay confidential. Here, North Wind Freight and the Baltic Corridor. I upload the real client PDF. Glance it in preview, then confirm the file privilege extracted. I attest it belongs under this engagement. Privilege doesn't verify ownership. I do. Anonymized declared names become placeholders on my machine. The header says mock, demo attack, offline scripted check. In production, the attacker is live, GPT 5.6. I download the anonymized PDF and open it. Value 1, value 2. No real client name. The real PDF goes into ChatGPT with a short prompt that keeps the placeholders. ChatGPT answers using value 1 and value 2. It never saw North Wind or Baltic Corridor in the upload. I copy the reply, paste it into restore names and run restore. North Wind Freight and Baltic Corridor come back only on my laptop. I built the code in Codex with GPT 5.6, Vault, Sanitizer, Attack Loop. At runtime, GPT 5.6 is the attacker. Here is the trust boundary. Raw documents and the mapping stay in a local vault. OpenAI only ever sees sanitized text and abstract rules, never the client names. Find out more. Scan the code or github.com/prasadt1/privilege. Attack the draft. Ship only what survives.